Rolling even coils. You're going to begin with a lump of clay and squish it into a log. Then roll it evenly out on the table by pressing down gently to the point that it would just roll away from you. Roll beginning on the interior and then work outward. You want to compare this to about the size of a Sharpie in order to get good sized coils for building. While you're working on building your coils, you want to make sure your already built coils don't dry out. You can do this by keeping them in a tote or wrapped up under some damp paper towels or a damp rag. Continue the same process over and over until you have enough coils to get started on your project. Your goal is to get an even thickness for all of your coils. You want to avoid cracking clay by making sure your clay is wet enough to be able to be squished and manipulated. If not, add water to your clay and get it wet again before resuming the process. If you find that your coil flattens out, just squish it the opposite direction and then continue rolling. Rolling consistent, even coils takes a lot of practice, so don't be afraid to squish one up and start all over again. Just do your best and keep practicing, and you'll get better and better each time.